Hi everyone, and welcome back to Kimbo's Comfort Kitchen. And today we are going to do hand-peeled open-faced shrimp sandwiches as part of the Danish smoothbrød family. That's right, smoothbrød, which is buttered bread. And a lot of you Danes out there are saying, come on Kim, that's pretty easy. But while it is easy to make and it's pretty quick, as you'll see, there are some little details that a lot of people I think miss in order to make it just that little bit better, all right? So I hope you enjoy this one today. It's going to be part of a family of sandwiches, or open-faced sandwiches, that I'm going to be doing over the next few weeks. So let's get going. Okay, so let's look at the basic ingredients. I've got a French bread. I've got some softened butter. I have Chilean wild shrimp. Now, obviously, if you're Dane, you know that the best shrimp on the planet is from Greenland, cold water shrimp. Which we can't get here. So I'm using these versus canned, and it pretty much makes the difference. If you've got a good product like good Chilean shrimp or Greenland shrimp or our Pacific shrimp, which is not in season right now. And I'm taking some unsalted butter, which I'm going to put as the base. And I've taken, now I didn't have time to make my own mayo, I'm sad to say, but I'm using commercial mayo, which I'm just going to put on the bottom here. Now, it should also be noted that this shrimp, once I got it from the market, I washed it and dried it. And the same thing, now in my family we don't normally put lettuce on the bottom, but I'm doing it today because there are a lot of people that do, simply to make it look nicer. Personally, I think it makes it just harder to eat. But there's the garnish. And I'm going to throw, we've got about 140 grams of fresh hand-peeled Chilean. And there's a big difference between hand-peel and machine peel. The easiest way to normally tell is by the color. When you see this rosé color, you can pretty much tell right away that this has been hand peeled. And I used to have to peel shrimp when I was a kid. Let me tell you, it's not a lot of fun. But the difference is amazing. I'm not exactly sure why, but there you go. So that's the basic part. Now I'm going to, before I put anything else on this, I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice all over the top. There we go. And then I'm going to top it off with some mayo, which is why I'm using a piping bag. Like that. And then I'm going to take a slice of lemon. Again, at this point it's mostly just decorative, but it does make it look pretty. And then I'm going to put that on a plate. With that, oh, I forgot one other thing, sorry. Just hold on. With that is a real open-faced shrimp sandwich. And I hope you enjoy it. And we'll be coming back with other smoothbrød and open-faced sandwiches for your taste buds.